one day.
Hello, happy Pride. Paano
2 days.
Kala ko pupunta tayo
3 days.
natin
Yes, well.
kasi God will give you challenge kung
4 days.
basta na hindi mo kakayanin. And I love the last on my mind
5 days.
in a rather perfect way for me. And I think maganda rin yung meron ka talaga suporta ng pamilya. Family, parang baka they're here and you're looking at them for that strength. Dito naman tayo kay Pao. Ang inspiration mo naman, Kim Chu. Akala ko baka hindi totoo pero memorize mo yung kanta niya. At nakita ko talagang you really love her. Marami kang pinagdaanan today. Mayroong makati dito, nasusuga. I saw it. Pero talagang you overcame everything. For your answer, I know that you don't just believe in physical healing, but also spiritual healing. So I love that about you. Congrats!
Totoo. Good yun. Maraming napatunayan ngayon sa number